kinakabahan ako.
Ba't ka kinakabahan? Si James Reid lang naman yun.
Kasi nakita ko na yung future.
Nakita ko yung future niya. I can't Guys, I'm currently at the Manila Hotel Presidential Suite and this is my first time to be here. We're here for Garage Magazine shoot. Guys, hi!
Palaban si Pam ngayon.
Oh my God, itong mga to naman.
Palaban silang lahat. Tinan mo.
Pakcha.
Get that diversity garage.
Ang tagal niya magbihis, guys.
Same.
Jump mo.
Ale.
Late pa lang ha, officially.
Happy birthday, Ale.
Wow, ang saya!
Ay, bagay sa'yo.
Oh my God.
Bagay.
Oh, ayun yun naman ulit.
Ano ba yan? Hindi na po kayo nagsasabi agad. Charot. Sorry. Low-key lang yun ha. Guys, ito na. In 5, 4, 3, 2, nasaan siya? Mon. Hi, James. Hi, look at me. Look at me. Char. Okay, so isa pa lang yung nasasaksihan namin pero I'm so wet. Too much information. Hindi ko kayang mag-hi mon. Guys, update lang kung okay pa kami.
Okay lang ako.
Sumabog. Pumutok na.
Ako onting-onting.
Guys, wait, ay mag-focus. Iyak kasi. Yung slow mo lang na iyak. Update lang ulit. Kukunin na ata ako ni Lord. Lord, wait. Tapusin lang namin yung shoot, ha? Ang tagal. Okay na, sige na. Handa na tayo dun.
Viewers.
Hi, viewers.
Okay.
Because si JD maglalagay yan.
Ako maglalagay.
Ako mother.
Mahawakan ko na.
Ako ko na eh.
Kasi si video team property.
Ay, ikaw.
Baka maitanong ko yan. No.
Maya-maya yung mga si Agnes.
Welcome po yan. Wow. Oh my God. Ay, nice.
don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Okay. Thank you. Yay! That's all.
Good?
Yeah. You want more?
Guys, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a masarap.
Nabuhay
Tapos
kami.
na, sobrang gusto niya. Naturally, gwapo siya. And, yun.
Andyan pa siya?
Andyan pa siya?
Oo.
Nayang ko, mas gwapo daw ako, James.
We're stuck here. And I don't mind. I don't mind being stuck here.
I-background mo yan. Ayaw.
Eh, kasi nakaset yung ano eh.
Yung setting.
Oo. Sasabihin ko lang na what. Hinawakan ni James Reid yung phone ko, guys. And ginawa niya tong, oh my God, overexposed. So, ang nakahawak na ng phone ko officially as of this day, si JC Santos, Ronnie Alonte, Marco Gumabaw, at saka si James Reid. Yun lang tayo. Okay, sige, wait. Off na muna namin yung vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!